what an elder can see sitting down, you cannot see from the highest because when the elders sit at home and the goats delivered in captivity, those will still repeat the same thing, and they will still live as if they are in captivity. So when our elders and our red cap chief wearing elders and chiefs and high chiefs and all of these titles sat quietly, it got us to this point where should we as a people be confused about our identity as a people? And this is my question for anyone who's listening to this or who will listen to this at any point in time. Does it sense to you that in your age now, you now have to question whether you are an Igbo person or a Biafra? Okay, what does Biafra mean? That we must die for it. What has Biafra brought in terms of our unity, in terms of our progress, that we must surrender our sex, surrender our reason, and surrender our lives for it? If we look at us, Biafra or death, because of what these truths that are self-evident, it means that something has gone awry. Things have fallen apart, and I don't think the centers can hold if we continue to gloss over it and continue the way we have been going.
Hello, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Choma, what comes to your mind each time you know the word Biafra?
The feelings have changed over time. Before, it used to be reverence for the war itself, 1967 to 1970. Remembrance of Kwashiorkor children, the possible trauma that would have come out from that. In recent years, it has become a name that now in my heart and in my experience stands for Nkewa Nantuka Ndigo. Because that war happened. Some of our parents lived through the war. Some of our grandparents lived through the war. So we bear those stories and we hold them dear. In recent times, that word Biafra has become the very thing that if it was just our Achilles heel, it would have been enough. But it has become the very thing with the because of this word Biafra. So I think it has become so divisive. For me today and for the past couple of years, Biafra has become that thing that I got no Biafra, because it is through having that conversation that we question he and the question based on it, and that conversation is long overdue. And if we don't have it, I shudder to think what is going to happen to the next generation of people who are going to be answering this question in just a drum of what Biafra represents for them.